Hello, everybody. My name is Glynis D'Souza, and I am a certified John Maxwell speaker, trainer, and a coach. My specialty is public speaking and leadership for youth and adults. Now, this coming week, I have two courses that are starting, one for 10 to 14 years on Thursday, and the other for 15 to 18 years, and that's on Wednesday. 6 to 7:30 p.m. EST for 5 weeks on Zoom. And what we're going to be learning is some fun public speaking tips and some leadership skills from the book 15 Invaluable Laws of Growth. Things like the law of the mirror, the law of intentionality, the law of consistency, the law of environment. And so a mix of public speaking and leadership that will help youth get better self esteem, confidence. We'll also have some fun debates. We'll show how to portray yourself in a positive light in interviews. And so it's going to be a fun, exciting 5 week session. All the details are in the link below. I'm looking forward to seeing either you there or your kids. Thank you.